Good morning, children. Just now we studied about the transportation which is seen in the smaller plants like shrubs, herbs, and small trees. Because herein in transportation, root is applying the pressure and the capacity of lifting the water is less by root pressure, so it is seen in smaller plant. Then what is the criteria for the higher plant? In higher plant, along with the transpiration pool is there. Okay, so that I will explain. Before that, an important thought: remain humble when world admires you, keep smiling when world mocks you. Children, we should be humble at every situation. Though we are successful, we are intelligent, we have a good knowledge, but be humble is one of the good characteristics. We should be humble though someone is praising us for our good work. We should keep on smiling when world mocks you. So keep smiling means is a good habit. When someone mocks us means they like to behave us like us. We should keep on smiling and always be humble. Okay, children. Now come to this transpiration. What is transpiration? Transpiration is a process where water gets evaporated. Children, during the process of photosynthesis, you know that roots of the plants take the water and a mineral. That water and minerals is transported to the stem and then to the leaves. Okay, by means of the root pressure. You studied it. But what happens? Whatever the amount of water it was transported, out of that we need very little amount of water during photosynthesis. Then what about the rest amount of water? The leftover water, it is evaporated. Okay, this water is evaporated by the process called as transpiration. Okay, so the loss of water or evaporation of water through the plant part, it is called as transportation. Transpiration. So what happens? How the water is going out? Water is going here in the form of water vapors through the stomata of the leaves. What is stomata? Stomata means in the outer layer of the cell, there it is the epidermal cell. So what happens in the outer part of the outer layer, that is epidermal cell, there are small openings, and near that small opening two small cells, kidney shaped or bean shaped cells are there, that are called as guard cells. These are called as guard cells, and that opening is called as stomata. Okay, these cells are also called as stomatal cells, or they are called as guard cells, and that opening it is called as a stomata. So what happens when the water from there it evaporates? At that time these guard cells become smaller and thus water gets evaporated. See here in the picture you are finding, when extra water is formed during photosynthesis, that water is coming out and moving through the stomatal opening, and these guard cells had become smaller inside. But what happens if the amount of water is sufficient that need for photosynthesis? At that time these guard cells increases in size and stomata get closed, means no opening is there. Okay, thus transpiration occurs through the stomata. Water is released into the atmosphere by the leaves through the process of transpiration. Because of this, the level of water is maintained. Otherwise, if more amount of water will be there in the plant, the leaves may decay. But this transpiration helps to maintain the amount of water, and thus whatever the water is there, that is distributed also. Okay, that is distributed to all parts of the plant, whereas root pressure perform the role in pushing up the water during the night time. So both root pressure and transpiration plays a very important role. Root pressure is pulling the water only upward side, while during transpiration water gets evaporated or it is transferred to all parts of the plant to maintain the level of water or the amount of water, that is called as a transpiration.